Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to share a jam from a Jamboard with the different people's friends or students. So first of all, first step is you select the Jamboard. If you share this Jamboard or anyone else, you create here using this button. After selecting the Jamboard, you need to click on this share button. Public on the web, anyone on the internet with the link can open this Jamboard. You need to simply click on this share button, and then there is two different options pop up: share with people and groups, and second option is get the link, and anyone on the internet with this link can view this Jamboard. So if you share with the specific person and groups, and you need to click here. For example, if I share with this specific person, and then you need to select the role. For example, how people join this as a viewer or as a editor. So there's two different options. Either people join this Jamboard as a editor and as a viewer. This is your choice what the roles you want this person. So if this person only view this Jamboard, you need to simply check viewer. If this person also edit the Jamboard, you select the editor. After this, you type this any message if you want, then click on send. And if you share this Jamboard with many people, for example students of the class and any other groups of the people, you simply get the link, and here you change the link. Anyone with the link are restricted option, and only people add can open this link. So there is two option. If anyone with the link can join this Jamboard, you simply copy this link, and here is also two different options, whether these people join as a viewer or as a editor. So it's depend upon you what's the option you want. So after selecting the option viewer or editor, then you need to click on copy this link. After copy this link, click on done option, and you share this link with the people on different platform, for example Zoom software, and through email or through WhatsApp. So I hope this video is helpful for you and you understand how you share this Jamboard, I mean Google Jamboard, with different peoples or specific people. So I hope this video is very helpful for you, and please like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.